A while back, one of our subscribers asked if I could try and create some sort of a music app using Laravel and Inertia, and they wanted to see really how you would upload images, how you would upload audio files and use them from the database to be part of your music app. So in true designated coder fashion, I went ahead and did that with a little bit extra. I definitely went a little bit extra on this. So first things first, if you take a look at the background, this background shifts, the color shifts. The image itself is this exact image here, except it's underneath almost like a transparent layer of a purple and red sort of a thing. And that transitions from purple to red. And it goes so slow you barely notice it, but you'll probably see it as we are working on it. So first things first. We have our list of songs here on the left. These are a list of all the songs that I currently have in the database for this project. We have the song name, the song artist, and then that's also listed up here. Now, these songs that I got, I don't really want to be flagged by YouTube, considering I have not reached 1,000 subscribers. I have 0 clout, and that's that. So these are free from YouTube, free, copyright free. Okay, now let's go ahead and play a song. This will be the first one that's listed here. Oh yeah, I definitely went a little bit extra on this. We have some visualization here. So these bars go with the music, and every song that we play, it'll happen. Let me make sure the volume's down on here so it's not too loud. We have volume, we have a pause button, we have a next button, which will play the next song. Turn just a little bit. Okay, but it's playing the next song, which is Breather by Josh Pan, and you see it up here. And then you see the images change, so this is the cover image now for that song, and then the background has changed to that cover image as well. So we have pause, play, forward, we also have back. And we also have, let me pause that so you guys don't keep hearing the music. We also have a little bit of a seek function. Now, I ran into some problems with this, and I have not managed to figure out how to fix it. So basically, this seek bar is supposed to be able to go back and forth in the song, but as you can see in Chrome, it does not work the way it's supposed to. But it does work in Firefox, so that's the only reason I'm leaving it in. If someone knows how to do this in Chrome, it doesn't work in Chrome, it doesn't work in Internet Explorer, it doesn't work in Microsoft Edge, it only works in Firefox. So if anyone knows how to fix that, I would greatly appreciate that, because I do love this app. I had a lot of fun with it. The other thing that we can do is now we can also click the different songs, and they'll also change just as it does in this with these next and back buttons. Okay, stop that. See, we have another image. I don't know if you can tell, but I had a lot of fun doing this. So the other thing that we can do is we can also add a song. So let's choose a song file. And these are just regular MP3 files. Like I said, they're free from YouTube. Go to Tunes. Pick, say this one. Open. Okay, and you can see it's listed right here. We're going to choose a cover image for it. And I have no validation on this little form here, so that I'll leave that up to you to do. We have these. Let's pick this one. I tried to pick images that kind of went along with that background. Okay, so we have the image file here. We're going to add the name of the song, which is Road Trips, and the artist is Offshane. Now we can click submit. And our song has been added, our form is gone, and if we go down to the bottom, here's our song right here. We can click it. The name and title appear. We have our little bars. See our image. Okay, so our image has changed, our background has changed, and then we can do the process all over again and enjoy our lovely music. So this is going to be a really short series. My time is very short this week, so I do want to get these videos out, but they're going to be shorter, and I might have to break them up a little bit smaller. I'm going to leave it there for now. We are going to start project setup in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.